The word list area provides access to thousands of pre-made lists, organized by category such as Spellzone units, curriculum lists, etc. You can also use the search facility to find the required list. All Spellzone word lists can be used online with spelling activities and games, or printed for offline practice, including handwriting worksheets. They can be shared easily and also be translated into 92 languages, ideal for any students who have English as a second language. Any list can be copied and edited by clicking the copy icon. You can remove words, add new words, add custom sentences for context, move words around and save it with a new name. To create a list from scratch, click on Create a List, add words and press Submit. You can then add sentences if desired. Once done, the list is immediately available to be used with all of the Spellzone activities and games.